everybody, Shayla here. Today I'm going to teach you how to use and upload and organize your photos with Google Photos. So now here we are in our Gmail account. So what we need to do to get to Google Photos is go to the square of dots here and we scroll down to the windmill. It says Photos. And so here we are. So I've uploaded some photos so that we can have something to work with. But in order to, if you wanted to upload more, you would just click upload photos and you can upload it from Google Drive or your computer. I'm just gonna add this picture of me that I have, and that's uploading now. And there I am. So this is the main page where all of your photos are gonna be. If you want to search for a specific photo, you can search for like the name of a photo or cats, and it will bring up all of the pictures with cats in it. So now let's go back. So now let's say that you want to organize these a bit. So what we can do is we can select items. So let's say I want to put all of the bookshelf pictures into an album. We hit plus, we hit album, new album, and we're gonna add a title, bookshelves. And there we go. So now we have an album with just bookshelves in it. And you can do this, you can create an album here as well. Let's make an album for all my food pictures because I am a foodie and I like to take pictures of my food. So, and we'll just click to add all those. Done. And now there's more pictures in it. So once you've created an album, there are a couple of other things that you can do. You can add more photos here. You can search from your photos, or you can select from computer, so you can upload them directly into the album. You can share it with other people, so you can post it on Facebook, you can post it on Twitter, you can make a link to it, or you can invite individual emails into it so that they can view it. And over here we've got, you can put it in a slideshow, you can download everything, edit it, set album cover. So now whenever we see the album, that picture is gonna pop up as the cover, and you can delete it. And under options, we can invite people or turn on link sharing. So that means that anyone with a link to this album will be able to view it. Oh, and here you can order a photo book or photo prints of a particular album. So under the For You tab, there are a couple of different things you can do. We've already created a new album. If you click prints, it'll take you to the print store, and so you can order prints of your photos from here. Movie, you can make movies using your pictures. So let's just say we're going to make, okay, never mind. So we can't make a movie of cats, I guess, because we don't have enough cat photos. But you can create a movie of pictures here if you would like to. You can create a collage of photos. So let's say, I really do like my food, so I'm just going to make a collage of that. And so now that's going to show up and we can edit it. We can put filters on it if we wanted to. Here it'll apply the filter more or less. Over here we can adjust the light, the brightness, the color saturation, and whether it kind of makes it kind of pop out. And over here we can crop it or make it move side to side. We're done with that. We can hit that. And if you want to undo it, you can hit undo edits. Zoom out, zoom in. So we're just going to hit done. And yay, there's our collage. So from here, we can share it, zoom in, see information about it that's basically going to tell you like when it was, when some of the pictures were taken, when it was made, when it was uploaded. You can star it to make it in your favorites. That's going to add it to a favorites album that's already in Google Photos. And other more options, we can slideshow, download, add to album, add to shared album, or an order prints. And the trash can will delete it. So let's head back and go back to For You. We can also make an animation. So this will make like a GIF of like moving pictures. So I mean, I don't really have that, so I'm just going to hit create. And so now it's just going to make a GIF, so it cycles through those pictures. We can share. It's got most of the same options. We can hit share, zoom, info, favorite, delete, and slideshow, download, add to album, that kind of thing. So now under shared, this is where, so if you share a specific photo or an album with other people, they're going to show up here. There's the print store. So in the upper left corner, we can hit the 3 lines here, and we've got a menu that pops up. We have archive, so we can archive photos in there. Trash, this is where the pictures that we trash are going to go. Manage your library. Settings, help and feedback, and app downloads. So you can automatically back up photos from PC or from your mobile device. So you don't have to manually upload those if you have that set up. If we go to settings, we can pick the upload size, so we can do original or high quality. We can buy more gigabytes of storage if we need to. Manage videos that can't be processed. We can check our shared libraries. Suggestions. Sometimes there's a sideways photo or something, Google will suggest that you fix that. You can group faces, so it can recognize faces and it will group them together in an album sometimes. You can manage your sharing preferences here. You can draft reminder emails, promotional emails, and your browser notifications. You can turn those on. So that is just about it for Google Photos. I hope that this video was helpful and informative for you guys. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment, text us, email us, or call us, and I will see you in the next video.